Did you know that if you recycle one aluminum can, it could actually save enough electricity to power your TV for 3 hours? One can. If you throw away one styrofoam cup, it will take between 400 and 500 years to decompose in a landfill. And also, did you also know that Americans only recycle 5% of all of the plastic that's produced? Those facts alone are necessary to learn about how important recycling is, because study after study has shown that if we use or reuse recycled material, we can eliminate greenhouse gas emissions. I myself recycle. It's not easy. I actually live where they don't have a recycling pickup where we can just put it in the bin and put it out front. We actually have to pack it all up and take it to a recycling center and sort it all there. But it is very important that we actually do that because there's a lot of benefits. Let's talk about the benefit of just one aluminum can. So if we take this aluminum can and we recycle it from shelf, full circle, being used and recycled, it would be a 60-day time frame. So that same can, if we recycled it, can come back around full circle. And once we have an aluminum can, this can be aluminum can for forever. It actually can be reused unlimited amount of times. This can stays a can, and we can still use it over and over again. The other thing that we need to do is make sure that recycling is a little bit more convenient. If we make it more convenient, we can actually see that it'll be more beneficial. So according to research done by Axon Research conducted in 2014, America's Beautiful Recycling increases the workplace by 20% if there is actually trash and recycling bins. So if we actually make it more convenient, if we have a trash and recycling bin next to each other, Americans are 20% more likely to actually recycle. So they might know the benefits of recycling, but if it's not convenient, they're not going to do it. So we need to motivate people and actually do this. And we actually need to make recycling more fun. So a couple different ways we can make recycling more fun. I've actually made a little display here. We need to have easy places to put things. We have outside trash containers here that are sorted and labeled. We also can do the same thing with this and have it where we have different kinds of plastics or papers or things like that. We also have the battery recycling. So if you have these things in your house that are fun and easy to do, then it'll be a lot easier if you have to take it to a recycling center. If you don't have a curb out front, it'll be a lot easier. Also storing it. This is a great way in your garage to store things and then get the whole family involved and get them excited about recycling. Because a couple other more fun facts is that the EPA talks about if you recycle 1 ton of paper, it saves 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. The reason why that is because we actually take material from, we have to gather it. We take the material, we make the product, and we make the product, we expend energy. So if we don't have to remake the product, or if we don't use virgin product again, we don't have to expend the energy twice. So in this case, if we use reused or recycled material, then we can actually save trees, we can save all of the landfill space, we can save a lot of different things, and there's a lot more benefits. Another fun fact is that so many people are energy efficient. They want energy efficient cars. They want energy efficient furnaces, freezers. But you go to the store and you see the energy sign savings that you get rebates or different kinds of things like that when you go buy a furnace. So all these things that are made to save energy, but we can just do this small thing and recycle all this material and we'll save tons of energy and eliminate a lot of the greenhouse gases. So even though we need to make a little bit more effort to make it more convenient, because going to the store and buying something is very convenient because you already know it's energy efficient, you just have to have it installed and you're all set. But in this case, if you do install things in your house and have it more convenient, you are going to be more likely to recycle and make America beautiful. So now that we've gone over a few points of how important it is to recycle and how we need to make it more convenient and make it be easier for everyone, and we need to make people aware how important it is. Now that we know all these things, do we have any questions? Okay, if there's no questions, I want to thank you for your time and attention today. And hopefully, knowing some of these facts will motivate you to want to recycle and to want to make this planet a better place. Thank you.